Hi, I'm Ken Anthony, owner of KJA Posters and Maps. I'm here today to talk about panoramic maps, also known as bird's eye view, aerial view, or perspective maps. These were a popular form of art at the turn of the 20th century depicting a city's key points of interest. Unlike traditional maps, panoramic maps often highlighted the commercial aspects of a town while also clearly showing many local residences. I've had a lot of fun looking up places I've been to on these maps, and I gotta say, it's amazing just how much things change, and also how much things stay the same. Visit us online, www.rainfall.com. Thanks for watching.